Hello, welcome to the lecture on Basic Civil Engineering, Module 2, Introduction to Building and Town Planning. In today's lecture, we'll be discussing growth of town and land use. Definition: increase in proportion of urban population over time calculated as the rate of growth of urban population minus the total population. Why people like to stay in urban area? There may be many reasons. We'll be finding out answer in throughout this lecture. Good facilities like housing, transportation, electricity supply, drainage, and water supply, etc. More job opportunities available in urban areas can develop more contacts, career growth among youngsters. This may be some of the reasons. Classification according to the origin and direction. We'll be discussing one by one. Natural growth. Most of the town in the past have grown in a natural way. That is, the development of town as such as have taken place without any further planning or a future planning. Proportion of various essential amenities such as road system, parking, playgrounds, school, industrial unit, commercial center, hospital, cinemas, etc. are made in an irregular way without considering for future expansion of town. This natural growth are classified into four types: concentric, spread, ribbon development, satellite growth, scattered growth. First of all, concentric spread. It is the natural tendency of people to be as near as possible to town or city. Therefore, the town develops in the form of concentric ring with the nucleus as a town. This type of growth created by complicated problems such as traffic congestion, narrow street, concentration of population, improper housing, etc. Town growth is represented by a series of concentric rings, circle or rings. First zone represents central business like commercial and social life of town. Second zone represents low income housing, better class residents and high class residents as subsequently formed. The idea of concentric spread is based on the fact that similar or functional related activities will be located at the same distance from the center of urban area. Here you can see the concentric spread. In the center we can see center business district. In surrounding we can see zone of transition. And the surrounding it we can see residential, lower class, middle class, upper class. Ribbon development. It has been observed that because of improvement of road surface and growth of motor traffic, everyone build or occupy the place as near as possible to the main road. Building activities therefore expand in a natural way along the side of main roads, and long finger or ribbon of houses, factories, shops, etc. are formed. We can see in the picture main road surrounded by the residential building, factories, shops, etc. in a ribbon form. Satellite growth. When a town reaches as a certain size, satellite growth is bounded to take place. The satellite town is mainly due to the metropolis, and it include a body under the influence of a more powerful body but possessing its own identity. Development of satellite town around the parent city. Here you can see a concept of satellite town. Scattered growth. Growth of town take place in very irregular way. It results into traffic congestion, encroachment of industry on residential area, development of slum, lack of parking, and various other problems which prove to be difficult to solve in future. Here you can see the scattered form of growth of town. This create all major problems we have discussed. Planned growth. In planned growth, in case of planned growth, a town developed in a predetermined line as a concaved by town planner. Overall growth of town is controlled by the enforcement of suitable rules and regulations. There is a rational distribution of various blocks such as residential, industrial and commercial etc. The provision of various amenities such as width of street, drainage lines, water supply lines, parking, playgrounds, etc. is made to meet with future requirements. The modern concept of town planning can very well be seen and appreciated in some of the recent new town in many parts of the world. In planned growth city town, there may be horizontal and vertical growth. In horizontal growth, town expands and develop horizontally in all directions. It is clear that such a growth will be possible at place where land is available in plenty at a normal cost. Vertical growth. The buildings of the towns are designed and developed as a multi-story flats. It is quite evident that such a growth will be possible at the place where land is very costly. Here you can see the vertical growth. Stages in the growth of town. Primary town, which produce human requirement like agriculture. Secondary town, town which function for exchange such as market. Tertiary town provides residential, education and recreational facilities. These are the stages of town. According to the Lewis Mumford, growth of town is classified as epolis, polis, metropolis, megapolis, trianopolis, neuropolis. Epolis, polis which grow as one entire unit. Its economy depend upon agriculture. Polis, growth into small unit or urban units or self-contained community. It depend upon commercial and industries. Metropolis, town which grows to its full statute with high population density, large potential, with all facilities like water supply, drainage, electricity, transport, commercial, and industry, etc. Megapolis, town grown into masses due to growing expansion of industry, high-rise building, multi-track roads, mass housing, mass transportation, etc. Trianopolis, town which shows further decay in all fields such as trade, commerce, military powers, etc. Narrow-polis, it is a type of town of dead where one can find disease, famine, economic breakdown, etc. Now I'll be going through land use. Land use planning is a planning of a region or a town according to the use of land. It is very important tool for making development plan or master plan. Land use plan shows residential zone, industrial zone, public zone, open and green space, water bodies, railway, roadways, etc. Every town has existing land use plan. Also help to understand present situation. Consideration while preparing a land use plan. Area allocation, population and demography, land market, location, natural resources, topography. Thank you guys. Thank you for listening. Stay tuned with us. Bye bye.